Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I'm fine. I hope you guys are doing okay. In today's video again, I want to motivate somebody. In my last video, I showed you how you can change the screen of your phone. On today's video, I will be showing you how you can change the battery of your phone also. This one is iPhone 7 that we are going to be changing the battery today. So I will show you, I will take you along guys. We'll be doing everything together. So this is the all we need for the phone to change the battery of the phone. I'm just showing you guys there now. You just look. So but I will not be talking throughout the video. Looking at the video, you will see everything well explained there. I showed everything. So guys, thank you for watching. I love you. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I've already put my glue around now, so I need to close this cream together. But there's one thing I want to tell you guys. There's these two hook here. If you are closing the screen of your phone, these two hook, we are going to slide it inside. We are not going to press it, because if you press these two hook inside without sliding it in, you are going to destroy your screen, and your screen the ink inside will come out, so it will not be working again. So be careful. You cover it like this. When you put it down like this, then just take it, hold it on your hand like this, and raise here the back here, so that okay, it will fall in. Raising the back here, okay, it will slide in. You just see what I did. It has already slid in. Then you press here and press here. Now you put on, let's try. We just changed the battery of the phone. It's on already. So guys, you see, this is how you can also change your phone. So you can do it yourself. So I just hope I motivate somebody out there today also. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. God bless you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Join this amazing family. Like this video, thumbs up, share it out, and God bless you guys. Bye bye.